Imagine a combat drone that not only flies like a fighter jet, but also sees the battlefield like a phantom, detecting threats long before they appear on radar, tracking targets hidden from human eyes, and striking with split-second precision. This isn't science fiction. This is the new Ghost Eye vision system powering the Bayraktar KIZILELMA, and it's rewriting the rules of 21st century aerial warfare. Introduction: a new era of drone dominance. The Bayraktar KIZILELMA, Turkey's ambitious unmanned fighter jet, has already captured global attention for its aggressive maneuverability, fighter jet aerodynamics, and combat-ready payload capacity. Designed as a loyal wingman for manned fighters, KIZILELMA is fast, stealth-inspired, and shockingly cost-effective. But what truly elevates this drone from promising prototype to a battlefield game-changer is a new piece of technology often referred to as the Ghost Eye, a next-generation sensor and imaging backbone that enhances situational awareness, target detection, and threat response. Ghost Eye makes KIZILELMA not only powerful, but intelligent. What is the Ghost Eye? While Baykar has not publicly released every detail, the term Ghost Eye generally refers to a combination of advanced electro-optical and infrared imaging, high-resolution real-time video feeds, AI-powered image processing, multi-spectrum sensor fusion, long-range detection and tracking capability. In simpler terms, it's a complete visual intelligence suite that allows KIZILELMA to see in conditions where human pilots or ordinary cameras would be nearly blind. Think of it as giving the aircraft a superhuman ability to spot enemy aircraft through clouds or smoke, detect ground targets camouflaged in forests, track missile launches from long distances, operate effectively during night or low-light conditions, identify threats using AI-enhanced recognition. This vision beyond visibility is why many analysts call it a ghost's eye view of the battlefield. Why KIZILELMA needs the Ghost Eye? KIZILELMA is not a slow-moving surveillance drone. It's built like an unmanned fighter, capable of takeoff weight over 6 tons, high-speed jet performance, internal weapons bay for stealth, air-to-air and air-to-ground missions, carrier compatibility. Such a platform requires an equally advanced sensor suite. Speed means nothing if the aircraft can't detect, identify, and react to threats at the right moment. Ghost Eye solves this. Here's why it matters. 1. Stealth platforms require non-radar vision. Stealth jets avoid using radar openly because radar emissions give away their position. Ghost Eye allows KIZILELMA to maintain low detectability while still gathering situational data. 2. AI-driven targeting for autonomous combat. KIZILELMA is built to perform autonomous patrol, autonomous engagements within ethical or command limits, loyal wingman operations. AI-powered vision is essential to these missions. 3. Multi-spectrum imaging beats traditional sensors. Ghost Eye uses multiple spectrum channels, infrared, visible, thermal, to create a deeper, richer picture of targets. This allows the drone to detect hidden vehicles, low-flying aircraft, heat signatures, missile exhaust trails, even in harsh environments. GhostEye plus KIZILELMA equals an unfair advantage. When combined, the two systems create a lethal combination of stealth, speed, and situational supremacy. Here's what that means in real operations.
Dominance in air-to-air combat. With GhostEye, KIZILELMA can detect enemy jets from significant distances without turning on its radar. Potential combat advantages include identifying stealth fighters through thermal signatures, tracking incoming missiles in real time, guiding its own air-to-air missiles more accurately, coordinating with manned fighters as a remote sensor wingman. This gives air forces a powerful new tool, a disposable but capable air combat companion. Precision strike capability. For ground missions, GhostEye enables ultra-precise strikes, identification of concealed armored vehicles, engagement of moving targets, real-time damage assessment. A single KIZILELMA could perform the job of multiple traditional drones, reducing operational cost and risk. Enhanced naval operations. Since KIZILELMA will eventually operate from ships, GhostEye strengthens maritime surveillance, anti-ship target identification, surface vessel tracking, and night and fog operations at sea. This is particularly important for regions with contested waters. AI and automation, the future of KIZILELMA's GhostEye. The next phase of GhostEye's evolution is deep integration with artificial intelligence. Machine learning allows KIZILELMA to predict threats, prioritize targets, reduce pilot workload, coordinate swarm drone operations, and improve detection accuracy over time. The more missions it flies, the smarter it becomes. This represents a leap toward a future where drones are not just tools, but tactical partners. How GhostEye transforms global drone warfare. The Bayraktar family has already reshaped drone warfare, but KIZILELMA is entering an entirely different level of capability. Here are the broader global implications. 1. Affordable high-performance combat drones. Many nations cannot afford manned fifth-generation fighters. KIZILELMA offers a cheaper alternative with comparable mission versatility. 2. Reduced pilot risk. Unmanned dogfighters change the psychology of conflict. High-risk missions become more acceptable. 3. New export markets. Countries unable to obtain Western or Russian fighters may turn to Turkey. 4. Tactical overmatch against traditional air forces. Drones with GhostEye-level vision challenge older jet fighters not designed for AI-enhanced battle space awareness. Conclusion: GhostEye turns KIZILELMA into a visionary weapon. The Bayraktar KIZILELMA was already a bold step into the future of unmanned combat aviation, but the addition of GhostEye transforms it from an impressive drone into a revolutionary combat system, capable of seeing farther, reacting faster, and surviving longer in modern warfare.